Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Rengue No Assembly Folding Bookshelf, a versatile 5-tier storage solution perfect for your home or office. With its large capacity, this bookshelf offers ample space to neatly organize your books, documents, and small items, maximizing your storage potential. Its innovative foldable design allows for easy storage and effortless portability, making it ideal for travel or moving. Crafted from high-quality wood and metal, this shelf stand ensures durability and a solid construction that promises long-term use without sacrificing stability. The sleek white finish and simple industrial style blend seamlessly into any decor, adding a touch of sophistication to your space. Measuring 23.07 by 13 by 61.61 inches when expanded, and just 2.2 inches deep when folded, it fits perfectly in any environment, while the generous spacing between shelves maximizes the use of limited space. Enhance your home or office with this elegant and practical storage solution that combines style, functionality, and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.